front of me is Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off simple mode on this device. You need to start by choosing settings. Now scroll down and click on special features. Then click on simple mode over here, choose enable simple mode. Wait a bit, and as you can see now, easy mode is on. If you wish to go back into the standard one, you need to click on settings again. Tap on exit simple mode and confirm your choice in this pop-up by choosing exit. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!